Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm testing something I'm genuinely excited about. The world's first transformable AI-powered mini microphone, the BOYA Magic. Not 4-in-1, this is transformable, meaning one microphone instantly becomes a clip-on mic, handheld mic, desktop mic, or camera-mounted mic. Yeah, look at this. It's about the size of my pinky. Exact same size. Very tiny, and I have it clipped over here. So I'm using this one right now. So what you're hearing right now is exactly from this mic. If you've ever wished for one microphone for everything, this might be the one. Let's unbox it and see what's inside, and I'll share my honest thoughts. So if you got a combo set like me, you've got everything that you need. A BOYA mic, a desktop stand, and inside the BOYA mic's box, you get a very nice leather case. So inside the leather case, you can see I've got all of these. So the first two are the fur windshields and the form. I've got 3 different receivers. One is for Lightning port, the other one is for Type-C port, and the last one is the one that you use with your camera. 2 fur windshields for the transmitters, a charging case where you can place your transmitters inside to recharge. There's a button on the charging case where when you want to use it as a shotgun mic, or you want to use it to place on the computer when you want to do live streaming or video calling, so you can use this button to activate the noise cancellations on and off. You've got the audio wired over here. You need this one to use with your camera. And you've got another 2 USB cables, one of which is USB-C to C port, and the other one is USB-C to USB Type-A port. And you use one of these to recharge your receiver and the charging case. You've got another one, which is the stand. So this stand is a very powerful tool. So you can use this to mount your mic and place your mic on the desk, or detach the stand itself and put everything back on to your camera as a shotgun mic. Now let's hear how it sounds indoor. So now I'm actually activating this noise cancellation feature, the AI noise cancellation. I'm not really sure if you guys can accept this kind of voice quality or not, but what you're hearing right now is straight from this mic. And now let me turn it off. Not turn off the microphone, but the effect, the AI noise cancellation. So now the AI noise cancellation is deactivated. So you guys can hear the sound quality out from this video. And just for your information, there's an air conditioner on the left. I turn it on, so the airflow is right from there to here to pass through. So maybe you might hear a little bit of noise. Just one thing that I would like to tell you, with this AI noise cancellations, I don't have to go and do the post editing on noise reduction or noise removal. So in order to identify whether the noise cancellations is activated or not activated is to look at the light indicator. So when you activate the noise cancellation, you will see green light indicator on both receiver and a transmitter. And when you turn it back off, you will see the blue light. It's very simple. This AI system is powered by deep neural networks trained on 700,000 plus noise samples and 20,000 hours of deep learning. Now let me show you the safety features. The smart limiter keeps your voice from peaking, and there's a second safety track recorded at -12 decibel. This saves your audio if someone shouts or if the environment suddenly gets loud. Alright, now let's test this mic outdoor with me. Hey guys, so this is the outdoor test and testing with the BOYA mic. Yeah, the view is great. It's fantastic, and you could see it's windy here, so I'm not really sure as well what the sound quality is like. No noise cancellations feature or effect. So next, I'm gonna test this one as well because this BOYA mic comes with this. Well, I'm not really sure if you can hear that. You know, somebody is fixing yeah, the restaurant over there behind me. So it's quite noisy here. Now let me activate. So now I'm activating the noise cancellation. It's the same. Behind me, somebody is fixing the restaurant. And it's quite noisy here. Yeah, it's quite noisy, but I'm not really sure if you can hear it because now the noise cancellation is being activated. Okay, so the noise cancellations with the wind filter, and I'm not sure if the quality is the same. Okay guys, so now I'm setting up the BOYA mic on the top of my camera, using it as the shotgun mic and to test the sound quality. So now it's on the top of my camera. I will, yeah, let me take a photo so that you guys can see what it's really like. Okay, so I'll show you in the post-production. So yeah, so it's still windy here. The weather is great. It's amazing here today. Yeah. So you guys can see whether this BOYA mic setup can be actually used, you know, for vlogging. Yeah, this is a vlogging setup. Just for your information, I'm activating the noise cancellations. And again, somebody is fixing the restaurant behind me. I'm not sure if you can see it behind me over there. Okay guys, so this is another test. This is a test of the range of this microphone. So now I'm walking backwards, you know, from my camera. I'm not sure how far it is, but I want to test this as well. If you guys can still hear me clearly, it's quite far from where I stand from my camera. So here is my camera, it's over there. So it's quite far from me. Yeah. So, you know, to be honest, in the real interview or the videos, we don't normally stand far from the camera, right? So this is just a test range whether the, you know, the sound quality is still the same or there are some issues, you know, regarding, you know, the distance between the wireless or the transmitter of this microphone. So that was the outdoor test. Of course, I've just made it quick because I'm going to release a full video on a separate video because I don't want this video to be long. So you guys can check out another sample videos from this microphone that I did, you know, at different prices. So you guys can judge whether this is acceptable or not. So now let's break down the features that make the BOYA Magic stand out. One microphone that becomes 4 different tools: clip-on, handheld, desktop, and camera mounted. This is a key reason creators choose this mic. In BOYA's Kickstarter campaign, 73% of users packed it because of this high user value. It fits into any small pouch or pencil case. This is the most portable multi-purpose mic I have ever used. It is equipped with 48 kHz of 24-bit recorded, 144 decibel dynamic range, 80 decibel SNR, 20 Hz to 20 kHz frequency response, and it comes with up to -40 decibel suppression feature. Neutral networks trained on 700,000 noise samples, instant separations of voice and background noise. And this mic is able to protect against unexpected peaks. Automatically records a quieter backup track. For the battery life, 6 hours per transmitter, 30 hours total with charging case. Based on my use so far, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. The transformability saves me from carrying 4 different microphones. AI noise cancellation is very effective, especially in busy environments. The safety track gives peace of mind when filming fast-paced content. For creators, educators, streamers, and bloggers, this is a powerful all-in-one mic. So there you have it, the world's first transformable AI-powered mini microphone, the BOYA Magic. One mic, 4 forms, market-size portability. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so that you won't miss my future reviews. Don't forget to check out the price of this microphone to see, because it comes with different options for you guys to choose from. And I hope to catch you guys in the next videos. Thanks for watching.